So if you participated in our FSHD research testing and you requested to have the results returned to you, you will receive an email from me with a PDF that has your report. I'm just going to take you through that quickly. So the first thing we do is determine, are you permissive for FSHD? Do you have an FSHD permissive chromosome 4? So that's all this is saying here, FSHD permissive and one non-permissive. This does not mean you have FSHD, it just means you have the permissive genetics for FSHD. Okay, you could potentially have 2 permissive genetic chromosomes, or you could potentially have none, in which case this does tell us something because there's no chance that you could have FSHD if you're non-permissive for FSHD. So the next thing that we do is we determine, are your epigenetics consistent with FSHD or not consistent with FSHD? And that's this first test. The epigenetics are consistent with FSHD. And then the next test says, well, if you have FSHD epigenetics, are they FSHD1 or FSHD2 epigenetics? And that's the second test. And then the result is put here and then explained. All these numbers and how we came to this result is here in this box. Okay. Same thing for this case here. Individual not consistent with FSHD. We often run the second test anyway, just as a backup to say that this clearly is not consistent with FSHD and healthy, and it's explained here. Then after that, if you go to the following pages, you'll see that it is explained in the subsequent pages exactly how we came up to the results, how the test was done, the details, the limitations, etc. At the very end of the report, there are 3 figures, sometimes 4, understanding your report. Some interesting things. Okay, so you can go to the end and you do that and everything there. But fundamentally, what you can do is you could skip just right here. This tells you what we came up with, the conclusion, and then you can send me an email and we can set up a call, and I'd be more than happy to talk you through the report and answer any questions you have about the testing or FSHD in general, and make sure that there's no misunderstanding and that everything is clear. So thank you very much for participating.